girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar WOS with the song called Arrancarmelo or so. This is strictly in Spanish and I'm not speaking Spanish at all. So why am I doing this? Because I believe it could help a couple of you guys who listen to Gordon Guitar. So that's the reason. It's a great song as well, even if I don't understand a word. Or perhaps I think I know Arrancarmelo, I think it's pronounced like Arrancarmelo, not sure. I believe it translates into tear it off or so, something like that. So tear it off. Yeah, let's start. No need for any capo, and we have 4 chords that goes round and round through the entire song. Okay, so let's go over the chords. The first one is a C, but with a G in the bass. So, like that. It's third on E, third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. The next chord will be G minor. So it's a bar on the 3rd fret, all strings. And the rest will be 5th on A and 5th on D. Next chord is F. So a bar now on the 1st fret, all strings. And the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord will be F minor. So pretty similar to F, still a bar here on the 1st fret, all strings. And the rest will be 3rd on A and 3rd on D. So that is the chord progression: C, G, to G minor, to F, and F minor. And that is actually how this song starts. We have the first kind of chorus. Yeah, it's the first chorus. And it goes with this chord progression for 2 rounds. And you will play just 1 down per chord. So, like this. You can really take your time here. It goes pretty slow. That was 1 round. Play that for 2 rounds. And we are still in the middle of this first chorus. And then it goes over to play kind of a strumming pattern. It's only about the downs. So it goes for another 2 rounds of this chord progression. This time we have 4 downs is 1 strumming round, you can say. So these 4 downs you will play like this. So that is down, down on the bass strings, bass middle strings, and the 3rd down more on the top string, and back to bass strings on the 4th down. So that is 1 kind of strumming round. So bass, bass, top, bass, like this. Okay. So and you will play this strumming pattern 2 rounds per chord. So that means C, G, C, G, and then G minor, G minor, F, and F minor. You will play that chord progression in this way for 2 rounds. Okay, so first 2 rounds, just 1 down, and last 2 downs, you'll play bass, bass, top, bass, 2 strumming rounds per chord, and for 2 chord progression rounds. So in total, it will be 4 rounds of this chord progression, and that will be the first chorus. Then starts the first verse, and I'm not even gonna try to explain the words or even pronounce them. So you will just, look at. After these 4 rounds, you will just go on to play the first verse, and we're here right now. So now we will continue with the strumming pattern. This time we only have kind of downs, so no downs on bass and tops like this. You will just play strictly on the bass strings, and it's the best if you can just try to mute the strings as well when you're playing. So same chord progression, and you will have 1 strumming pattern that is 4 downs, and try to mute them. So what I do, I lean and my palm here on the strings like this, and I play like this. Perhaps on the E, A, D, yeah, even touching the G string there, but I'm trying to avoid the B and E down here, alright? So play on the bass strings, play it with a muted, yeah, feeling like that, so it will be 2 rounds of strumming, so that means 8 downs per chord, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This part, this verse is very long, so it's about 6 rounds of that chord progression. So really have time here to practice on the bass muting here. 6 rounds of that chord progression, and that is the first verse. And then we actually just have a final part left, the last chorus. And this chorus we'll play it for 4 chord progression rounds. The first one we'll play with just 1 down per chord, like this. Okay, 1 round of that, and then you have 3 final rounds where you practice this bass, bass, top bass. So bass, bass, top bass, 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 top bass, 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 top. That is 1 round. You will play for 3 rounds, and that will actually end WOS Arrancarmelo. So thank you for watching, and I believe that music is one international language, and I'm very happy for that, because otherwise I would be pretty lost here. So hope this was helpful, guys. If it was, please thumb up, subscribe, leave a comment perhaps, and yeah, take care. Play tune as well.